it turns into a four-wheel drive track or not. But our goal is to get to
Black Point.
Black Point. We made it to the Black Point sign. So it's 23 kilometers, and we just met some guys coming the other way, and they said it's really corrugated, so we're all letting our tires down at the moment. We've done 3, so one more to go. It's been really good for a few kilometers, and then suddenly we hit some big potholes, and now it's really sandy. So now the fun begins. I would say the tree won against the surfboard, that's for sure. That's pretty destroyed. But other than that, we would actually fit. We did it! It's actually a pretty cool track. It's through the forest and sandy bits and hill climbs. It's fun. Patrick, they don't come in here.
Not yet, until they whack me in the face.
We're pruning, guys. I reckon we have a pretty cool section ahead of us. A lot of flex, which is always interesting with our massive box in the back and our 12 tons, but we'll see how we go. It looks like a bit of fun.
Wasn't us. We are at, what's it called?
Breakfast Holes.
Breakfast Holes at Black Point. It's an awesome track in here. If you have the time, take your time and camp out here at Lake Jasper and at Black Point. It's definitely amazing and worthwhile. I'll show you some videos of the track in and what it looks like. And what it looks like here at Breakfast Holes.
It's raining. So beautiful. That's Black Point?
I think so.
All black here.
You know what it's called? Black Point.
Can we swap? I can wear your jumper, you wear my t-shirt?
I don't like belly free shirts. Was it worth driving the track?
Very good. We liked it.
What about you, Yele?
Yeah, it was amazing. But freezing!
Yeah, it's not the best of weather, as you can see.
A little bit rain.
Typical southern southwest weather.
Good that we're four-wheel driving. Oh my goodness, the door's fucked. Alright, the mirror's off. Looks a bit odd compared to the other one. Should be straight, right? So, yeah, not good. And I'll see if we can at least close the door so it doesn't rain into it. This is the best we could do. So when we shut the door, it's still a gap up here especially, and it's a bit warped down here and up there. So the mirror mounts are actually really strong. And yeah, we will have to go with this little mirror. We won't see anything there. But now we're wandering to where it happened. Want to have a look at it, because yeah, it's not funny. There's still a big part of the tree standing, but it will be weak as well, so we'll see how we go. That's the tree, the branch. Look at that. Old, weak, was barely holding on by the look of it. Alright, the tree was 28 centimeters wide in one direction and 31 in the other. Look at that. At least it still runs fine. I reckon any other vehicle would have been completely smashed by this branch, and we got really lucky. Our brush bars saved us, and then yeah, the only point it could come down on was the mirror, the mirror mount, which looks a bit funny now. after all this drama, we got to a pretty cool spot, which is Lake Jasper. And it's stunning. Look at that. Was it worth it, Patrick?
I think so.
It's beautiful.
It was worth it except for that one tree.
Yeah, that destroyed our mog. And look at that little picnic area. First, quick clean, quick shower in the lake, and then some cheese and wine. We definitely need it today.
There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul.
The sun's out, Patrick.
Yes, finally, the last bit of today. Awesome spot. All right, Jan, jump in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
You, Patrick. Oh. Good job, everyone. Make sure you wash yourself, right? That's our shower for today. Cheers to a broken frickin' door.
What door?
This is so much fun. What a morning!
Perfect morning.
Yeah, this is so cool. And the lake's beautiful, even though it's like very cloudy. No sun at all. I bet when the boys go on the subs, they will get sunshine. Patrick. And of course the sun's out now that we left the lake. It's so pretty. Look at that. The weather is awesome. Such a beautiful day. It's a bit wobbly here, a lot of holes, and we're kind of like bouncing around. And Karina just said our car thinks it's a kangaroo. It's literally jumping. Yesterday as well, it was so funny. We got to this little river crossing. Walk it first, right? Pretty rocky. Alright, made it through. And now we'll watch the mog come through in the Pajero. Will be good. That was fun. Was that our first river crossing?
Maybe in the Unimog, not in the Sprinter.
Yeah, we've gone through deep water in the Sprinter.
What a weapon.
Woohoo! Woo! Alright, on to the next track in the same national park. We're driving into the Yeagarup Dunes. Yeah, some kind of low-hanging branches, not too bad so far. Sandy track in, but it's fun. It's beautiful as well. Look at that. We walked up and we just watched someone failing. They're gonna let the tires down even more, I think to 15 psi, and then we'll watch again. We can't wait. And there's some people driving around here. Really good. Oh, here we go. Second attempt. Bouncing like crazy. So far, no one went up here. It's fun to watch though.
Not even the Hiluxes.
No. We're just watching how they bounce around. It's pretty fun. Alright, he's sending it again. Look at that. Full speed. We made it back to the highway, the end of the track. It was good fun, definitely recommended. Just very sad for us that we have bigger damage and we'll have to figure out what to do next with that. Yeah, we're inflating our tires again. We're using the onboard compressor just hooked up to that tank and then straight to our tires, and we have the big earth moving valve, so it's quite fast actually. I'm just scared that this window will break. So scary. Oh. You reckon that was good?